Want to more privacy on WhatsApp? In this video, I'll show you how to hide your online status so others can see when you are active. Whether you want some quick time or simply more control over your privacy, this quick step will help you change the right settings and stay more private. Let's jump right in. First, open the WhatsApp on your phone. After the app is open, look at the top right corner. Here you can see the three dots more icon. Simply tap on it. From the pop-up menu, find the settings option, click on them. Once you are in the WhatsApp settings page, scroll down a little, find the privacy section, tap on to open the menu. After the privacy page, look for the who can see my personal info section under find the last seen and online option. Click to open them. Here you can see two options, who can see my last seen and who can see when I am online. First of all, you can select the first option, nobody. After that, you can also select the second option, same as last seen. Then hit the back button and automatically save it. And that's it, how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more helpful tips.